As we prepare for Purim, I don't know where your mind is. Is it on the fast? Is it on the feast? I just want to share with you a couple of ideas that help me enter this period with the right frame of mind. Firstly, the fast. So many people say, listen, Avram, I'm afraid of fasting. I feel terrible. I just remind them that Jews have been fasting for thousands of years, and we are here to tell the tale. They're great fast suggestions, how to get through the fast feeling better than before, and the fast feeling great. But I want to jump to the end. I want to jump to where a lot of people are feeling concerned. The drinking to excess, unfortunately. I want to share with you a couple of insights of how you can avoid, be it yourself, your spouse, or your teenage boys, or whoever, feeling lousy the day after, and actually get through Purim feeling fantastic and having the best Purim of your life. The first is to recognize that most hangovers occur because of dehydration. Did you know that with each cup of alcohol, about 4 times the amount of water it leaves the body? In other words, alcohol is a diuretic, but it's not a one-on-one relationship. It's 1 to 4. Each cup of alcohol causes a loss of 4 cups of liquid from the body. So the first suggestion is to hydrate before, during, and after. And the best way to do that is simply between each cup of whatever you're choosing to drink, have 1, 2, or even 3 glasses of water. That way you'll be able to keep up and lessen the diuretic effect. The second is sleep. As best as you can, get some sleep in your sleep account before Purim, because alcohol disrupts the circadian rhythms, disrupts sleep cycles. So if you go in as much as possible refreshed and slept, then you'll be able to leave recovered and feeling even better than before. The third idea is to do with what's called a toxic buildup. Alcohol in excess disrupts and puts a lot of pressure on the liver and causes toxicity in the liver. So hydration is one strategy. The other is to take some measures to support your liver. One is the hydration I spoke about. The other are some recommended remedies, natural remedies, etc. And I'll get to that shortly. The other is to eat green leafy vegetables, specifically cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli, green onions, garlic. These sorts of foods are high in sulfur, and sulfur helps the liver to detoxify the effects of toxic exposure, specifically from alcohol. The last strategy I'm going to suggest for now is choose your drink and stick to one. If you're going to drink wine, enjoy the best quality wine, preferably sulfite-free. If you can find, sulfites are added to preserve the wine, but they also can bother people. So if you can find a sulfite-free wine, that's best. Otherwise, stick with wine. If you're going to drink beer, stick with beer. If you're going to drink spirits, stick with spirits, if that's your flavor of the day. The best thing is to stick to one form of alcohol, because by mixing your drinks, this exacerbates, increases the toxic buildup within the liver, and different alcohols have a different effect on the body and on the brain. So if you just stick to one, you'll get through Purim in the best possible way, the happiest possible way, without feeling poorly on the other side.